Hello, 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 guys. Happy Thursday to everybody. I hope that you are doing fine this Thursday. Hope that you were waiting for this live stream where we are doing trading on the pocket option, my favorite platform for trading for binary options. I hope that the music is not too loud for you. Yeah, today we are continuing our challenge, my challenge, to increase the deposit from $500 to 5,000. As usual, I'm using my favorite strategy with MACD, where fast period 12, slow period 24, and signal period 9. If you're interested about the configurations of my indicators, and also if you want to learn more about the strategy that I'm using, about my indicators, about my analysis, or just my life as a trader, you can scan this QR code and join me on my Telegram channel, where I share not only trading, not only analysis and my strategies, but also my life, my lifestyle. So if you want, you can scan the QR code and you can join me, or you can follow the link in the description of this stream. And if you have any questions, you can also text me in my private messages on Telegram. There is also the link where you can click it, and I'll try to reply to all of your questions about trading. Just join my community of traders if you want, if you're interested. And let's go. I already have my moving average, also my second instrument, and another moving average, but this time with a period 200. The previous one was with 100 period, and this time this one is with a period 200. Usually I operate on the time frame 30 seconds, and I'm opening the trades with $100 per 3-5 minutes. So let's start our analysis. We have AED, C and Y, the first chart, the first currency pair. I'm opening the trades on 30 seconds, and I'm checking the chart on 5 minutes time frame. And I see that A, D, C, and Y is moving in the upward parallel channel. And actually here is forming the signal to open the trade in the upward direction. But to tell the truth, I would prefer maybe to use here the trend line, because it's not just a parallel channel. This is actually not a parallel channel, because it's not straight, let's say. It's more like that, I would say. Or maybe it's, yeah, like that. Almost a parallel channel. Close to be the parallel channel. And right now, so the price touches the support, goes up, touches the support again, touches the resistance, goes down, goes up, and right now it touches the support, and now I think it's supposed to go up again, but it started to go down, maybe to touch again the support. Well, actually the same happened here. You see here it touched the resistance, then it or the support, then it went up, touched again, and then went up. So this chart has a clear structure. I would save it, and maybe later in 3-5 minutes I would open here the trades in the upward direction. So for now, I would love to move to the next trade. By the way, guys, I think I already have less echo in my apartment. Let me know about the sound. Do you think that the sound right now on my stream is better? Because right now there is not that much of the echo, though maybe a little bit still. I can feel it, but I think it's much more better. I can't find my microphone. I don't remember if I put any filters. Can't find it on my OBS. What happened? It disappeared. I hope that well, you can hear me. I see that. So weird. I can't see it. It disappeared from my sources, or maybe I'm just blind. I don't know. Maybe I'm just blind. Oh wait, I found it. Oh, okay, I don't have any noise reduction, noise suppression. Okay, now let's return back to our rating. You know, I'm always worried about the quality of the stream. I want to be a professional streamer. So AUDCAD, as I can see, is moving in the downward channel for a very long time. I don't know if I should try to draw here the support, because for me it's not super straight, so maybe not. Maybe I wouldn't love to open here the trade, because I don't see here clear structure. I see that the price goes down, but I don't see clear structure like here. And by the way, I think this is a really nice signal for me to open the trade in the upward direction for 5 minutes. AEDCNY. Hello Nunu, hello Muhammad. Can we maybe connect to the account? What do you mean connect to the account? What do you mean? What do you mean you want to connect to the account? To the account on Pocket Option or what? Yeah, guys, let me know how is your day going, how it went. Our price started to go down. Actually, I didn't have time to check the time. Look, there was a good signal at 7:21 to open the trade in the upward direction. And at, let's say, 7:34, well, 10 minutes, the price is moving quite slow. But here, 7:02, and only at 7:20, oh my god, 20 minutes. Maybe 5 minutes is not gonna be enough. Maybe 5 minutes is not gonna be enough. But let's hope that it's gonna be enough, because what I can see from the previous signals, the price is moving super slow, but maybe 5 minutes will be just enough. That's why, guys, don't be in a rush. When you see a signal, first check the time. How much time do you need? But I don't know, usually I operate on 5 minutes, like 5 minutes, I mean, opening the trades, the expiry time. So I believe that it's gonna be enough. Maybe I would open it here for 5 minutes, even though it's slow. Hi Violon, hello, welcome. How are you? How are you doing? How's your Thursday going? Guys, I got my furniture today. I think on my previous stream I was complaining to you that I ordered furniture and it didn't come. It came today, but it's not assembled. So I'm still not enjoying my furniture. But at least now I have a little bit less egg. That makes me happy. AUDCHF kinda has clear structure. Still so far, well, right now it's at the point where it can start going up again. Like you see here, it almost touched the resistance, then it went down. But also it can start actually going down, or it can touch this support. and then go up again and actually touch the resistance. And this is, I think, actually what is gonna happen. You see, now it's going up. Maybe later I can open the trade here in the upward direction. I want to put here the star A, D, C, and Y. 2 minutes left, went down, now it goes up again. I hope that it will go more up. How was your day, guys? What did you do? Tell me. I went today out with my friends. I ate some barbecue. It was such a good day. Bought some cosmetics. What else women need? Good food and new cosmetics. And for me, the couch. So I am actually in an amazing mood. I hope that you too. And I hope that the market also, because I hope that we will be able to grow my account. Remember our goal to grow my account from 500 to 5,000. Last time we made my account 670, not much. But today, oh my god, laterality. Our price went into laterality. Well, actually, I entered here because it seemed to me that the price overcame laterality here, because you know it went upper than this peak, but then it went down again. So probably 5 minutes is not enough, but maybe it's enough. Oh my god, the last 30 seconds and it starts going up. Will the miracle happen here, or we needed to enter for like 10 minutes? I think I would love, even if this trade is closing in without the profit, with the loss, I would love to open here the trade again. So just we need definitely more time. You see here it can spend hours, to tell the truth, in this point, but okay. Anyway guys, let's continue our challenge. Let's continue now. Of course it starts going up, of course. And here actually, look, it also starts going up, seems like. We can also take a risk here and open the trade in the upward direction. Hello Samuel, welcome. How are you? How are you doing? AUD, let's check some other. I entered late and won. Whoa, congratulations Mohammed, congratulations. I'm very happy for you. I'm happy that I helped you, though I didn't help myself to get the profit, but I will just enter a little bit later. So, oh my god, this one looks ugly actually for me. Can't find any good charts for now, but we will definitely find something today. We just need to be patient. Oh, actually, you know, this one seems to be was in a very long upward trend, but now it seems like it's breaking the support and goes down. So also no clear structure on BHD, CNY, but these two I want to, you know, to watch them. For now, these two are interesting for me. Hi Blossom, welcome. How are you doing? How is your day going? Are you ready also to grow your account? Let's hope that the market will be on my side today, guys, and I hope that you already follow me all on Telegram and you don't miss any updates from me. You don't miss my YouTube videos. And CADGPY, what is going on here? Also, this one moves in the parallel channel, upward parallel channel, but it seems like it's too far from the support, so maybe we can take advantage of it. and open the trade in the downward direction. Even though I do not prefer to do that, you know, I always open the trades in the downward direction if there is a downward trend. But if I'm operating on 30 seconds time frame, we can see here that the trend is a downward. And actually I can even I can even draw here the parallel channel like that, the downward parallel channel, a small one on 30 seconds time frame, but on 15 minutes we can definitely see that there is another channel. Let's make it blue. I think it's not that bright as green. We can see that in general the price goes up here, but it doesn't mean that we can't open here the trades in the downward direction. I think we can do it here. So I'll put here also the star, and let's return back. Oh, this one actually again broke. Okay, I want to open here the trade for 7 minutes in the upward direction. A, D, C, and Y again. I opened the trade in the upward direction for 7 minutes this time. I think the price finally overcame laterality, so I opened the trade again, but this time I increased the time, and this time I entered for 7 minutes to be 100% sure that the price will have enough time to go up. Hello Akin, welcome. Hello, nice to be here again tonight. Thank you so much for joining me. How's your day going? What's up? Did you miss me? Do you want more streams during the week or not? Let me know in the comments. And here, by the way, just formed also the signal to open the trade in the upward direction. Here I would love to open for, let's try for 5 minutes in the upward direction on AUDCHF. To tell the truth, I don't know how much time do we need. For example, here was the signal to open the trade at let's say at 7:29, and at 7:40 the price finally went up. So maybe 5 minutes here will be just enough. But also it's moving kinda slow, but also here 8:53 was the signal, and at 7:02, well, this one needed 6 minutes to go up. Hi Julia, I have a question for you on Telegram. Isn't you who is chatting or someone from your team? I made a deposit 2 weeks ago and 2 days haven't left. Oh, Marin, well, sometimes I'm replying to the message, sometimes it's my how to say, my assistant. I'm not alone who is let's say busy with my social medias, because first of all, I'm the trader. I'm not very good with socials. I'm good with the trading, so of course I needed the help of my friend. I hired an assistant. I found a good assistant actually that is helping me with my socials, with the YouTube, with the Telegram. He's teaching me how to do all of that. But yeah, I'm not always free to answer all of the messages that I'm getting. So yeah, it's not always me, but I'm also like into it. I'm also replying to the message, so yeah, it's not. What do you mean you do it with everyone? You deposited the money on your account, you didn't deposit it on my account, right? What do you mean? Maybe you did something wrong? Because guys, I'm getting so many messages in my private messages, so I don't remember everyone. And why it looks like this is the message from the bot? Because you have this mark in the beginning. I don't think that you are in my team. Do you have the access to my VIP channel? Oh no, look, AUDCHF just broke the support. This, oh, so it actually went down. You see on 5 minutes time frame, I drew here the downward channel, so I thought that the price will touch here and go up again. But no, it broke the support and now it goes to this support. Well, to tell the truth, I would love to open here the trade in the downward direction. But the price, to tell the truth, goes down too quick. We can try, we can risk it. I opened the trade in the downward direction on AUDCHF. Because now I believe that it will go down here. This one is not gonna be profitable. So 5 minutes, let's see. Ethiopia, Samuel, are you from Ethiopia? Yes, I registered under your account and with your name, and I think guided me for 2 days and I ended up completely in loss. Maureen, to tell the truth, I have no idea. Let me to screenshot this message and I will text him right now to send me this conversation with you on Telegram and to find out what is going on and to why this happened with you. Let me just a sec open my Telegram. So the first one closed without the profit. Oh, I got something in my eye. Okay, I just sent this dialogue to my assistant. And I think we will contact you, but probably it's gonna be already after the stream, okay? Hello Freddy, welcome, what's up, how are you doing? This one also doesn't want to go up. The market today is not on my side, definitely. Okay, at least this one goes down. Let's open here the trade in the downward direction. CAD GPY 5 minutes, $100. I open the trade for 5 minutes in the downward direction. Maybe it was a false break. Too much volatility today on the market. The price goes up and down super quick. We need to figure out what is the time frame is working for today's market, because it feels like oh, finally started going down. Finally, yay. That's what we need. Oh, and AUDCHF also. Look, that's good. But we need it to be a little bit more down. That's crazy. That's so close to the entry point. Now it goes up. No, AUDC chef, come on. Yeah. Finally, I love this plot twist. That already looks better. Yay, nice. Finally, our first profit. $192, and basically it was $92 profit. Now we're waiting for CAD GPY. There is almost 2 minutes of waiting, and the price actually right now is touching the support. I hope that the price is not gonna go up, because maybe 5 minutes were too much for this chart. Because you know, in some charts the price goes very slow, like on ADCNY, and on AUDC chef the price moves super quick, and on CAD GPY we will see. Maybe it's moderate. You see, every chart has its own speed how to move. So 1 more minute and it looks nice. And meanwhile we can check other charts. Maybe we'll find something interesting here. There is a signal to open the trade in the upward direction on this one, but to tell the truth, for me it's not a very good signal. Too far from the support line, but here the last 3 seconds, and yay, again $92. That's nice, that's nice. Let's move on, guys, let's move on. Let's continue. But my deposit went a little bit down. Okay, that was just a warm-up. That was just a warm-up to feel the market, and I hope that soon we're gonna start rocking it. Here also we formed the signal to open the trade in the upward direction, but to tell the truth, I don't think that here we have the clear structure. I'm just looking for the charts where we have clear structure. We need clear structure. We don't need actual signals, we just need to find the chart with a clear structure. This one looks pretty lateral. Maybe I can actually draw here the resistance zone. I see it somewhere there. And support zone is somewhere there. So I believe that it will go down, but on 30 seconds time frame it shows me that the price is going already up, and we can see also here maybe there is another support, maybe it has double support. Because if not, what is that? Look, we have here touch, here touch, here touch, and also here right now. So maybe everything is not that simple, and maybe there is actually a good signal to open the trade right now in the upward direction. So maybe let's open for 5 minutes in the upward direction. Euro dollar, 5 minutes in the upward direction. I entered. Let's go. I hope that it will go up and not down, because look how good it went here up, also here. So maybe the same situation will happen also there. I'm so thirsty today. You know, I moved to the new apartment, and in this region I have the cosmetic shop really far from my house, like 20 minutes walking. So I went 20 minutes to this shop and then back home. And now I'm feeling super thirsty. I want to drink all the water. Oh, GBP, GPY, look, there was probably the news. The price went insanely up. And now, after the news, the price tries to return back to the normal levels. So that's why it's a little bit in the downward channel, I would say. But therefore, the signal to open the trade in the upward direction. And now again on 30 seconds, the signal to open the trade in the downward direction. Maybe this one I would prefer to watch. And then it gets a little bit cold, you know. Why it feels like that the door is opened or window is opened? Okay, let's put here the star. Maybe I will open here the trade a little bit later. And euro dollars finally started to go up. That's good for me. And we have here 3 more minutes of waiting. Here also we are waiting. GBP, oh no, euro dollar went down, but we still have time, so we can be completely calm. Yay, now I'm gonna feel warm. My favorite AC. Euro dollar doesn't have a clear structure, to tell the truth, maybe even on big time frames. But even on big time frames, I think the chart doesn't know, the price doesn't know where to go. Oh wait, it's GBP USD. Why I thought it was euro dollar? Maybe because I'm looking here. Euro dollar, come on, go up. Maybe we got into correction, but still we have time, so no place for worries. And yeah, guys, one more reminder again that we're trying to increase my deposit from 500 euros to 5,000. So right now it went a little bit down because the market sometimes is unpredictable, but we are doing our best to do that. And if you want to learn more about trading, about my strategy, about the instruments that I'm using, indicators that I'm using, there is a QR code on the screen. You can scan it and join my Telegram channel if you have any questions. There is also the link in the description of this channel. You can text me and I will try to reply on all of your questions and assist you. Yeah, euro dollar finally seems like went up, but it got stuck a little bit, so maybe Maybe we could open here the trade not even for 5 minutes but even for more. And the last two candle, or no, one last candle right now. The candle, one last candle, and we are done. Hope it's gonna be green bullish candle. We need it so much to tell the truth. Oh no. It's because I'm looking at the chart. Maybe actually 4 minutes would be just enough. 4 minutes maybe would be amazing. 5 minutes, eh. Okay. That's fine, that's fine. We will still going on. There are days that the market is crazy. Maybe today is such a day. We will see. Because for now, like on our previous stream, the market was much better than today. But we will try to make our best. We still have plenty of time, right? And JODCNY. Also, there is actually a lot of volatility on this chart. A lot of volatility. I don't want to save this chart. Let's move on. NZD/USD, while a pocket option. Also, that's because it has many charts, many actives, many currency pairs, even cryptocurrency, so we can choose any option we love. And I believe that NZD/USD will go down. So maybe here we can wait for the signal to open the trade in the downward direction. So this one, I'm gonna save it. And maybe soon we will open the trade in the downward direction. There was a signal at 7:53 and at 8, okay, for 7 minutes. And here also was the signal at 8:25. Okay, 8 minutes, 8 minutes, 7, 8 minutes is just enough for NZD/USD to open the trade in the downward direction. Here, AED/CNY again is going up this one. Let's open the trade here again. I want to enter 3 minutes. This time I want to put the time a little bit less. Because 5 minutes not always is working for me today, as you can see. So let's try to open the trade for just 3 minutes. Maybe 3 minutes today is the best time, expiration time. We need to do experiments. Come on! We're still waiting for 2 more minutes. And if this one is not gonna be profitable, I will just put a little bit more money. So we have again 500 euros, and we can start our challenge again. And we will see till what balance I'll be able to reach. That's crazy, guys. That's a magic. I don't know. Will be 3 minutes is just enough or not? Seems like yes. The last candle. We are on the last candle, and of course I want it to be again bullish candle. But what the market will decide? Again, in the last seconds of the trade, the price went down. So 3 minutes again got too much maybe. Okay guys, just a sec. Let me put the money on my account. But where is what I'm showing you? Just a sec, guys. Okay, just a sec. I'll put the money. How much do I need so we can start our challenge again? Okay, I just did it. So now we are back again with $500. Did I say euros? I think I got used to say euros. So let's go again. AUDCNY today is not on my side. AUDCHF, something is weird going on here. CAD by the way, here I opened the trade and it was actually profitable, and there is forming the signal to open the trade in the downward direction. So let's see. The price is touching right now the resistance. It's moving in the downward channel, but on the bigger time frames, the direction, the trend is the upward trend. So the price can break the resistance here at any time. Maybe, by the way, it's the time, but I don't think so, because even though right now it's breaking, it can be a false break, because you see there it's still far from the support, but it doesn't mean that it can go down, that it can go up again and touch the resistance, which is much higher than here, and we can't see it on the 30 seconds time frame. So CAD right now, I'm watching it. This one, oh my god, this one went so much up. And by the way, here I also opened the trade in the upward direction and it was profitable. But for now, I think it's kind of risky to open the trade again in the upward direction, even though I believe that it will go up. I think for now we're also just watching this one, as well as CAD GBP also went down again, and this one as well. Oh, by the way, yes, I think here actually I wanted to open the trade in the downward direction, right? I don't remember if I opened or not already. I think I opened many, but just everything went down, not in the time that I wanted. Okay, let's move on. ZARUZ, this one we didn't check yet. Upward. Too much up. It went too much up. No, I don't want to open here. Not enough volatility for me. USD THB looks nice actually on 30 seconds time frame, and even on the higher time frames it also looks pretty good. Why did I say looks? It looks pretty good for me. I think I can open here the trade soon. Maybe in the downward direction. Also see here the downward, kinda something like the downward channel. So I think soon, yeah, I can open here the trade. Let's see, I think the resistance should be somewhere there, so the price goes up right now. And then soon I will be able to open the trade in the downward direction on USD GHP. So I will put here the star again. And let's, oh, this one went so much up. Okay, maybe it actually broke. Maybe this one actually broke. Euro dollar. Actually. Maybe I can open here the trade in the downward direction. Maybe. Why not? Why not? For 5 minutes, I think we can do it. Let's go. And yeah, guys, one more time, the reminder that today I'm trying to increase my balance from $500 to 5,000. So this is the challenge for today. And all the information about my strategy, about my instruments, about my indicators that I'm using, all my trader activity as a trader, you can find on my Telegram channel. The QR code is on the screen, and also there is the link in the description of this channel. You can follow it, and you can text me directly in the messages if you have any questions, or you can just join my Telegram channel for updates, yeah, for strategy breakdowns and much more. GBP GPY actually has a signal to open the trade in the upward direction, but I think it's kind of too late for me to enter here, so I would be just there on what, euro dollar, right? Euro dollar, already the lines crossed, but right now we have a little bit of the correction. The bullish candles are forming, so maybe we should wait a little bit more and then to enter. This one, not yet. USDTHB also is forming a signal still, but again we have here bullish candles, the ones that I don't want to try, that I don't want to see, not to try. And here finally, let's open 5 minutes trade in the downward direction. Euro dollar, $100 I entered. Let's go. 5 minutes, and also let's not forget about this one and check it from time to time, USDTHB. And here, even on euro dollar, I can see the gap that appeared. Oh my god. Wow. Let's go. USDTHB still didn't go down, but this one went so fast down that right now I'm afraid that it will go the same fast but up. Okay, I think this one I can delete, and next time we can open here the trade in the downward direction. Oh look, CAD GPY is going down again. I want also to open here the trade for 5 minutes in the downward direction in CAD GPY 5 minutes down, because as you remember, this one is still so far from the support CAD GPY, so I believe that it will go down, and this one was just false break, so I believe that it will go down again, even though it's moving in the upward channel, but this one has a clear structure, so I believe that it will go down. Euro dollar, 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. Okay, well, as I told you that I was afraid that it will go the same fast up, but because we have 2 more minutes of waiting, it can again go down again fast. Let's see. Just like that, just our trading session. Wanna open more trades, but for now, to tell the truth, I don't see any good signals. Maybe actually I can delete these lines, and maybe we can try to draw here the downward parallel channel. But yeah, it's so hard for me to trade on the small account, because yeah, I already got unused to it. But it's time to remember how it was in the beginning. In the beginning. Oh my god. This meme about one Indian guy that's saying in the beginning fucked up my English completely. Now I want to say only like that, and I always like pronounce it very badly every time I want to say beginning. 8:19. Okay, 10 minutes here. I'm checking the expiration time, and here was the signal at 8:41, and 8:45 the price went down. Okay, 4-5 minutes will be just enough, and the euro dollar went down again, $92 profit. I'm happy. Okay, that's good. See, oh my god, CAD GPY, what is that huge candle? What is that? Maybe some news came out, though I think, well, for Canada actually it's maybe working hours. We can actually check the investing.com to see if there are any news. Economic calendar, and we can see that in 36 minutes there will be actually the news about the euro, so we need to be careful with the euro. German Bundesbank President Nagel speaks. Okay. Although weird, I think in Germany it's already like kinda late. Working hours. Okay, here the last 30 seconds. And I want to change the music. MACD CNY is forming the signal to open the trade in the downward direction, and here actually it already formed. 5 minutes, let's go. USD THB 5 minutes in the downward direction, $250 I opened. So as you remember, here the price is moving in the downward direction to touch this support, because in general our price is moving in the upward channel, but it touched the resistance and now it goes down to touch the support. So you remember our price is moving in waves. So basically this is how it works. Let's go. Wanna see if there is any support, like why it went up here, like what did I miss? What did I miss? Maybe here is the support, huh? Maybe here is another support that I missed and the price went up and wants to touch this resistance. By the way, it was raining today, and I'm just checking if it's raining again, but maybe it's just the noise from my AC. And I thought that it's rain. Oh my god, yesterday, by the way, I was playing some games and there was a huge thunder and rain. So and I still believe that it's again going on, again rain. But maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it's just my hallucinations. Okay, what else we can see? What else we can check? USD MYR. Okay, I can clearly see here the support. That's good. But the resistance, I can't see it clearly, to tell the truth. I would say maybe it's somewhere there. And here were false breaks. And now the price goes down again, but in general, it looks like it's the upward trend. But no. I would love maybe to open here the trade. No volatility. The chart is dead. USD KOP. Laterality. I see laterality. I hate laterality, but maybe if we can find anything, we can open here the trade, huh? By the way, form the signal to open. Oh no, I don't want. Here, form the signal to open trade in the upward direction, and look how much time it needed to go up. Well, 10 minutes. No, it looks bad for me. And here the last minute, and of course the price started to go up. It feels that it's the last minute for me and starts going up. The market doesn't love me today. But we are waiting. Oof. No, I don't want to look at it. Oh my god. So much stress. Come on. Maybe I should try to open the trades today for just 2 minutes, because I think that recently the 2 minutes after I opened the trades, they were the best, and then everything fucks up. Yeah, we got the profit for 80, boom, and now we have $722. A reminder, we're trying to grow my account from $500 to $5,000, and we became a little bit closer to our goal right now. So guys, if you want to know what kind of strategy I'm using, I already explained it on my Telegram channel. The QR code is on the screen, you can scan it. You can check the link in the profile in the description of the stream, and you can join me and to learn about it. And meanwhile, I entered on ADCNY $100 5 minutes in the downward direction, because our chart is moving in the downward channel, and I already opened here the trade for 5 minutes and it was profitable. So I believe that we will do it again. Though actually I wanted to open the trade for 2 minutes only, for 2 minutes. But because the previous trade was profitable, I decided to stick again to 5 minutes. Let's go, guys. So yeah, I think that I already told you about my community of traders on my Telegram channel. All the links are in the description. And here I wanted here to open actually the trade in the downward direction, as I remember, or maybe upward, I don't remember already. No, I think I wanted to open the trade in the downward direction, but it was 15 minutes ago. So probably it was too late already for me to open anything. Here we can open, we can start. Well, actually, we can maybe open here the trade. I don't know. CAD GPY maybe better right now just to watch and not to open anything. GBP GPY, possible good signal for the upward trade. And here I think here I got the profit, no? Or I was waiting here for the signal and never entered. I don't remember, or I entered maybe. But now it's too late to enter, although it looks like it's gonna go down till here or maybe even lower. But I would say because I already didn't get any signals from a MACD, I would wait. Here we're waiting for 3 more minutes, so plenty of time for us to find more trades. Bye, bye. How I love the folk songs, oh my god. It makes me crazy. Oh, USD MYR is forming a signal to open the trade in the upward direction, maybe soon. I think I already analyzed this chart, but for some reason I closed it. USD and Mexican peso. Looked actually pretty nice, this upward channel. But already too late for me to open here the trade, to tell the truth. Maybe a little bit later. Maybe a bit later. 58. And here we're still waiting. Maybe just to wait. Maybe just to wait how this one closes. And I don't remember actually what was yesterday our biggest, let's say, number that we could reach. But I finished the stream with $670 on my account. Not yesterday, on Tuesday. And today I hope that we're gonna break that record, and today I'll be able to finish my stream with at least maybe 1,000. And if the miracle happens, it will be 5,000. $5,000 would be nice. But I think we'll continue our marathon on the next week, guys. I'm streaming every Tuesday and Thursday, so if you don't want to miss any streams, you can follow this YouTube channel. It really supports and promotes my channel. The last 30 seconds. So subscribe, turn on the notifications, and of course follow my Telegram channel if you want. If you want to get more updates, more information about trading, my streams. Oh my god, where you go? Stop. Wow, what happened? Hey. But profit is there, $92. Good job, Julia, good job. Okay, 800. That's nice, that's nice. Finally, you know, finally I started to feel the market. And on USD NYR just formed a signal to open the trade in the upward direction. 5 minutes. I entered USD NYR 5 minutes in the upward direction, $100. I entered. So as you remember, I analyzed it. The price is moving in the upward channel. Not very clear structure for me there. But still we can see that it's the upward trend, right? Though recently, actually, I wouldn't say that it's 100% upward trend. Here it's actually on this time frame, it's actually the downward. But in general, yeah, that's the upward. Okay, I already entered, so now let's wait and let's check the other charts. What is going on here? GPY is about to form the signal, but here also the last time the price touched the resistance was at 820. Actually, not that far, not that well, kind of far. I don't think that the price will go too much up on here, and it's very slow, the chart. So I would love maybe to find something better than this. And what is going on here? Oh, okay, maybe we can open here the trade in the downward direction soon in AUDCHF. And here I think we already opened the trade, right? And we got here the profit. Yeah, look, it went much more down. And here maybe the correction, we'll see. Here also actually formed a signal to open the trade in the downward direction, but the price is so much down that I don't believe that it will go much lower. I don't want to go here to 80%, but maybe. By the way, we never checked on my streams the cryptocurrencies because I am avoiding them. They don't have enough volatility, and I prefer to trade with the cryptocurrency on the longer time frames. But maybe today is the day. Maybe today is the day. Maybe today cryptocurrencies are behaving better than just currencies. I would love also, guys, to know your opinion about cryptocurrencies. This looks like lateral channel, but if I try, okay, maybe something like that, but I don't know. I don't like it. Not enough volatility for here to open the trades on 30 seconds time frame, my favorite time frame. So maybe I'll continue. I'll be stick to the currencies, and we are waiting here for 1 more minute, even more. So I hope that the price will go up finally from the support. It will go up. It will jump. And we have a little bit of time to open maybe 2-3 more trades. Why not? And then we can go and relax. Here form the signal to open the trade in the upward direction, but I believe that this is the false signal. By the way, what about here? Here also actually it could be the false signal, because you see the MACD lines crossed in the upward direction in the oversold zone, but here was the crossing, and then here was the crossing, and this crossing is lower than this crossing. I didn't pay attention to that actually. You see, sometimes I'm not even counting all the aspects, and come on, oh, I didn't lose, I didn't win. It closed right on my entry point. Oh my god, that's crazy. Wow. So, should I enter one more time? You know, maybe I would love to enter here one more time after it goes upper than this line. Maybe after it goes upper than this line, I would believe that it overcame this small resistance, you know. So for now, let's leave it and continue searching. Oh yeah, I think I closed something. Okay. And now let's go. I don't want to go lower than 80%. Maybe let's check this one. Euro ruble. Oh, actually I checked this one already. Okay. And I close it. Sorry, I'm acting not like a professional and serious trader. Just let's move on. But yeah, 800, that's already kind of good result, I think. But yeah, today the market is not the best conditions for us as traders. So I would say yesterday market, I liked it better than today. Let's hope that tomorrow and next week it's gonna be better, and we will make a lot of profit. And if you want to learn more about how I'm living with trading, what indicators and what tools I'm using for my strategy, you can always join my Telegram. The QR code is on the screen, the link is in the description. So yeah, good luck to everybody, guys. If you want, you are more than welcome to text me. So. I can't see anything. I don't see anything. It's dead. The market is dead today. But I want one last trade. One last profitable trade. Am I asking for too much? Am I asking for too much? Just one small trade. GBP and GPY. Maybe it's time for you to go up. but I think it will be really hard for this one to start going up. But look, actually there was the crossing of the MACD in the oversold zone, and here is again the crossing, but this time it's higher. This time it's higher, so maybe actually this means that the price finally has power to start going up. Should I enter, or it's gonna be gambling? I want even to enter maybe for 2 minutes, but actually this one is moving so slow. Look at these small candles. Maybe here I actually need to enter not for 2 but for like 20 minutes. Here is about to cross, but an oversold zone, like a little bit higher, and maybe I would love to enter. Oh, let's go, 5 minutes there. USD MYR. This one, this trade made me sweat, made me shake. And I'm here again to open the trade in the upward direction for 5 minutes. USD MYR $100. I went again for that risk because I believe that now the price will just go up without any corrections. Well, maybe there will be correction, but if it goes a lot of up from now, we're not gonna be afraid of the correction. So amazing, but it's not the reason for us not to look for another amazing signals. So let's continue analyzing the charts. Actually, maybe here we can open the trade in the downward direction, because as you remember, AUD chip is moving in the downward channel. Though here it was moving kind of slowly and wanted to break the resistance, but now finally it went up, so I believe that it will continue going down. It went down. I think I said it went up. So maybe here I can also open the trade in the downward direction, and yeah. But these bullish candles don't make me happy. Ooh. Yeah, maybe it's not the time. Okay, here we got into correction. Will this trade again make me sweat and regret that I entered? Come on. Oh, by the way, look. QARCNY has a pretty beautiful structure. The downward parallel channel. Did I miss something here? It looks like we missed here some really nice trades. Like, look, here was an amazing signal to open the trade in the downward direction. Here so-so. Here was an amazing signal to open the trade in the downward direction. And now there is a signal to open the trade in the upward direction, but the price is actually moving in the downward channel. So as you remember, I'm not the fan to open the trades in the different direction from the main trend. So maybe better not to risk, and it has another support lower, like here and here, so it can actually break the support right now. Like, why not? Oh my god, again it broke this one. Look, I would say that right now we have this small parallel channel. Something like that. And I don't know if 1 minute is enough for the price to go up. But come on. I believe in you. You can do it. Or maybe I don't believe in it. And it even breaks this small channel that I drew. It doesn't want at all. Okay, guys. Fortunately, the last trade wasn't profitable, but still, we managed to, from 500 euros, to increase the deposit till 700 euros, so $214 profit. That's not a bad result for today's stream. I hope that you enjoyed today's stream, and I hope that I'm gonna see you on my next stream next Tuesday. Again, follow my Telegram for updates, stream announcements, and much more things about trading. Kiss and hugs to all of you, and I'll see you on Tuesday. Bye bye.